Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, My Kinda Art, with me Ivan Florentino, and for today's video, here is my part 2 of Spider-Man and Kitty Pryde. With part 1, I just focused on the drawing aspect of it with my blue pencil and the inking process. And with this one, it's all about color pencils and blending them with a blender pencil. But before we get started, consider hitting the like button, ringing the bell, and leaving a comment. So let's get to it. Now for this one, because the inking is already done, everything is dried up, I have a bunch of color pencils, and this one, it was very easy. I kept it minimal and nothing's going to be too crazy when it comes to rendering or making things look full 3D or anything like that. This one, I kept it purposely looking flat like a comic book, but I made sure to press really hard in some of the colors that you see here with the red and left some of it middle without too much pressure. So if you can see right underneath the arms, the chest area, the neck, and underneath some of the fingers, I pressed it in really hard so that way it looks like it's a darker red because of the shadows that can appear as the light is hitting from the top. Same thing with the blue in Spider-Man's costume. I started with a light blue and then added some dark blue as well. And most of those shadows came in with the markers and the inking that I did before. So all I had to do was focus on the primary colors or the base colors. Same thing with Peter Parker's hair. I started with a little bit of yellow, added some browns, and my intention is to use a blending pencil to make everything blend together. Same thing with Kitty Pryde's hair. Started with a little bit of yellow, added some orange and some brown in between the part of her hair in the middle, and I added a little bit of peach, pinks, and a little bit of oranges in their skin tones as well, and finished off with her purple pants and pink shirt. And yeah, I used this colorless blender because I wanted a soft look. And at the very end, I finished off with using a jelly roll pen just to kind of bring out some of those highlights in some areas that I wanted pure white highlights, like in the blue and some of the muscles with Peter Parker. But let me know what you think in the comment section below, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.